In this video, I am going to show you how to post on Pinterest using your phone. So to begin, we need to go into Pinterest, open it up. I always like to go to my profile, and you can do that by going to the very bottom to the right. You'll see your profile icon there. And your profile will show your header, and it'll have a listing of all your pins and all the boards that you have created to organize all of your pins. So now go down to the very bottom. In the middle, there's a plus sign. Click the plus sign, and you'll have a choice to create an idea pin, a pin, or a board. So you can create boards from here, which are used to organize all your pins. But we're going to select pin because we're going to upload a pin. So when you click that, all the photos in your phone will populate. I have already selected this meal plan, so it's right up at the top. You're going to select it, make sure the red square is around it, and hit next. You see the pin there. And then now we need to give our pin a title. And I'm just going to call it Weekly Meal Plan, because that's what it is. And then you want to say something. So let's just say to organize and plan your meals by the week. Okay. Next is the destination website. When you sign up for Pinterest, especially a business Pinterest, you added a website that is connected to your Pinterest profile. So we want to put that address and connect it. So I'm going to put mine. I'm going to hit go. I'm going to add the link. And there it is. And describe your pin's visual details. This is the alt text. I usually keep it very plain and simple. Make it easy. Oops, if I can spell. And then we will hit next. And this is where you get to save it to a board. And this will be your last step to pinning. So when you select that board, it is going to post. So I am going to select my board because I like to keep everything organized. Make money from home. So now it has posted on my Pinterest profile. I'm going to select not now. And I'm going to refresh my profile. And you can see on the all pins, it's right here. It's the last one. And I can go to that, I can go to that board. And it should be on that board. Here's the board. And there it is. And that's all there's to it. Very easy, very simple. Hopefully this video helps you post a pin to your Pinterest profile. Would love to see your comments and any questions. If this does help you, please consider hitting that like button. It really helps me a lot. And if you haven't done so already, think about subscribing to my channel. Would love to have you.